this is a very interesting idea. So build your own cardboard keyboard.
Yes, thank you. This is Kamioto project and then cardboard keyboard. And like a hobby kit, you can DIY by your own keyboard. And then this is it. It's on Kickstarter, and we are selling this for about $40 with Bluetooth model.
So this comes inside?
Yes, and you will get these things parts by parts and assemble yourself and paint it if you want, and being a MIDI keyboard.
So does it have USB or what's the connection?
We have both model, USB connection and the Bluetooth model.
So can we see it working? How does it?
Yes, and this is a prototype, and this is a cover. There is a Macintosh keyboard under that, and then you cover on it and then play.
I see.
Yes.
That's lovely.
Thank you.
So when will we be able to? We can buy. Can we buy this soon or now? Can you buy it?
Yes, you can. How to get, and then we are open on Kickstarter. So
okay.
yeah, you need to back.
So we search for Udo.
Yes, or Kamioto project. Yeah, please search Kamioto.
Kamioto project.
Yes. Many.
So it's just launched.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Looking for your support.